Hey guys, today I'm very excited. I got this in the post the other day. Well, actually someone ordered it and they ordered one extra and I got it from them. I'm so happy. I'm gonna open it quickly. It's the Juno & Co. Velvet Sponge. Now, I've heard such good things about it, but I've also heard some negative things, so I'm excited to try it out. It's very small. I mean, look at that. It's tiny. But okay, I'm quickly gonna go wet it, and then we are going to dress my face. Okay, so I wet it, and it's a little bit bigger. It's not much bigger. Yeah, it is quite, it's not as soft as a beauty blender when it's wet, but it is quite soft. So I'm first just going to put some SPF on these marks of mine, and then we can start with some, I can't remember what the word is, primer. Ooh. Sorry guys, Saturday morning, my brain's asleep. So I'm just going to take some Nivea and put it on these marks of mine, just to, because I'm going outside today and I don't want this pigmentation stuff to get burnt. So yeah, I'm piling on the SPF today. Normally I just mix it in with my foundation, but I'm really nervous. I don't want these marks to, I don't know if you guys saw my video, it's sealing quite nicely. They gave me a little zinc cream or something like that I put on, and it seems to help quite a lot with healing. So I'm not exactly sure what it's for, but okay. I just can put that on. I don't want to look, I mean, I'm getting old as well, jeez. And this is the worst problem I've got, is the pigmentation situation. Okay, so I'm gonna just put on a little piece of glass. I know this mine is a bit dirty, so I'm just gonna put some foundation, my normal amount, on there, and then I'm actually just going to take a little back of a brush, mix it in, because I do say don't put it directly on the blender. So for primer, I'm just going to use a little bit of Bobbi Brown. I don't know if I should use the Juno sponge. I don't think, I'm not going to take that now. I'm just going to literally go in and just give some extra moisture. So scared of this pigmentation now in the sun, but okay, gotta do this. Okay, oh, I can never get over the smell of this stuff. Okay, so let's go in with that foundation. Now I'm just going to use the bottom and start putting that in. I'm a little bit nervous because I've just heard, so I'm just literally going to put that amount on the, oh look, I got a new mirror guys. Now I don't have to put this ugly thing in front of my face. Let's put this little bear in front. Okay, so let's start. It does make a big sound like I'm hitting the living shit out of my forehead, but not really. Okay, so I did put SPF on and everything. I've got very dry skin, so as you guys can see, it is soaking up some of the product, but not everything. I'm quite impressed with my forehead. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not like drying or anything. It's actually going on nicely. I don't know. Let's do the rest of the face. Maybe it's the foundation. I'm currently mixing the LA Girl Pro Matte lightest shade that I bought the other day, it was a little bit light, so I'm just putting in a little bit, because it is a matte foundation, so I'm putting in a little bit of the Fresh and Fit from Essence, which is a very glowy foundation. It's not matte at all, so yeah, so just it balances kind of each other out. Wow, it's actually giving me beautiful coverage. I mean, this is what, oh sorry guys, I hit the thing. This is what my skin looks, I know you guys can see, this is like, let me just put the light a little bit. This is what my skin looks like before, and this is the coverage it's giving. So, I don't know if it's the foundation or the sponge, but something's working very lekker. And it doesn't use as much product either. I'm putting on my normal, it looks like I'm using a lot actually, but I'm not. Then it just blends it out. Huh. It's a bit strange. Maybe it's the foundation, because I have heard that sometimes with other people it was clinging to a dry spot. So I'm wondering if it's maybe the foundation, if it's a dry foundation, like a, because I'm not having any problems. Just want to cover up those spots there. Just want to look in the other bigger mirror. I mean, maybe I'm just, no. This is covering my stuff so beautifully. I'll do another zooming in right now, and it's covering my pink spots beautifully. Do you guys see? You almost can't see it anymore. And I've got all these scabs on the side of my face. That is peculiar. Guys, I'm loving the, I don't know if it's the blend of the foundation that I put on now. What's going on? But I'm loving it. I can see a little bit here between my eyes where I'm dry, but it's not terribly dry. I love this. It's actually covering up my freckles and everything. Wow. I'm actually not even using all my foundation. It's still there, so it actually doesn't soak up the product as much as a, I think that's maybe why it doesn't suck up the product like a normal beauty blender. Okay, so today I'm going to use my Maybelline Age Rewind. This stuff actually goes very quickly, I've noticed. So yeah, but I just wanted like a natural, I'm not going to go overboard today. I just want to see how the foundation and the sponge and everything works today. So I'm going to take this little flat tip and just blend that in it. This sponge does feel a bit drier because of the water now. I mean, just want to put on top of my arm. Guys, I'm loving how I don't know if it's the foundation now. Maybe I shouldn't have tried like, but I mean, even with the foundation looking so good, the sponge must be helping as well. I mean, look. Look at that. It's almost like the product doesn't go inside the sponge, it just sits on the little hairs, if you guys can see. Okay, so let's bake a little bit. Okay, let's use some Maybelline Master Facts, and put that and try and bake. Let me just clean the air. Take all my wrinkles out, and then it actually takes the product up very nicely. Wow. I was a little bit like anxious when I saw other reviews that weren't as positive, but now I'm loving this sponge, really. Oh my word. Okay, so I'll brush that off now. But I mean, wow, look at my... Sorry guys, I keep hitting the thing. I just want to bring a light closer. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's giving me really nice coverage. And it's really, I mean, look at the powder. There's no powder product almost left there anymore. It's just taken everything. So let me brush it off. Brush it off. Because I don't want to bake too much. I'm literally just going for a very natural look today. Guys, I'm really liking this. Like, my skin looks flawless. Like, I mean, I know I look white, but I mean, look at that. I think I'm just going to put some bare basic makeup on quickly. And then I'll do a final check-in to see what's up. So yeah, quickly going to put some makeup on and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I put all my makeup on. I feel like even though I don't really have a lot of makeup on I'm having a nice makeup day. I like this sponge. I'm going to continue to use it. I feel it's nice, actually nicer than a normal Blue Beauty blender because I can bake with it nicer. It fits into my eye. Now, I don't know, it just worked for me today. Maybe it's just a lucky day. But yeah, it doesn't really come clean, but yeah, I think it's really nice. Look at I mean, it gets a bit, I'm sure if you use it a lot more, it's going to get a little bit crusty because that doesn't want to wash out. But let's see. I think so far I like it and I'm going to continue using it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.